In an era where automotive technology continues to evolve at breakneck speed, staying ahead of the curve has never been more crucial. From safety innovations to convenience upgrades, the latest car gadgets are transforming how we experience our daily commutes and long-distance journeys. Here's our curated selection of the most groundbreaking automotive accessories that deserve a spot in your vehicle this year. The tester allows you to quickly and accurately determine the condition of your car battery. It is compatible with 6-volt and 12-volt batteries. The device gives a complete picture of the battery's serviceability and condition, and shows whether it needs to be replaced. It also allows you to save test results and monitor the dynamics, determines the exact starting characteristics of the battery, and compares them with factory specifications, simulates engine starting and measures voltage and startup time. It checks battery performance when charging from the alternator, turns on all current consumers and measures voltage under load. Introducing an exceptional non-contact plasma cutter. It is a professional 50 amperes torch that will allow you to cut even thick metal quickly and easily. What are its features and advantages? Firstly, it is equipped with an advanced torch and consumables. This gives 25% more cutting power compared to similar 50 amperes models. Secondly, the design utilizes non-contact arc ignition technology. This significantly improves cut quality and extends consumable life. Thirdly, the torch is quick and easy to set up. Just connect it to the compressor, and in a minute it is ready to work. And the front pressure regulator allows you to fine-tune the cutting mode. Do you want to repair the parts of your car interior that have come off? Then you need a strong adhesive. It has extreme adhesion. It will securely fasten even badly separated upholstery parts. It is especially effective for repairing ceiling trim, carpeting, and trunk linings. The glue is very easy to use. It can be quickly and accurately applied from an aerosol can. It dries transparent, leaving no traces or stains. The high water-resistant formula allows the glue to withstand any weather conditions: rain, snow, frost. Maintains maximum strength at temperatures up to 170 degrees Fahrenheit. This is an aerosol pickup truck body coating that protects against scratches, rust, and fading. It is ideal for localized repair of an already applied protective layer or to protect individual parts of the vehicle. A spray can allow you to cover approximately 6 to 7 square feet of surface area. The coating is versatile and reliably protects against damage. Suitable not only for the body of the pickup truck, but also for bumpers, sills, wheel arches, and other elements. Powerful universal charger with adjustable current from 5 to 90 amperes. This makes it suitable for charging absolutely any lead-acid battery, both for cars and pickup trucks. It allows you to quickly charge even a very high-capacity battery in a matter of hours. Another advantage is the voltage stabilization mode. This will allow you to program the onboard computer without fear of power failure. If you need a universal and powerful charger for all types of cars and equipment, this model will be an excellent choice. Tire Shine Spray is made of high-quality ingredients. It makes it easy to restore the tire's shine. The spray penetrates deep into the rubber to restore its structure. Thanks to a special formula, Tire Kicker permanently protects rubber from the harmful effects of ultraviolet light, which can cause yellowing, cracking, and tarnishing. Unlike analogs, this product does not leave stickiness after drying. The spray will help to avoid sticking dirt and dust. Swift Wipe waterless car wash liquid instantly removes dirt, dust, and road grime for a complete wash in one step. The formula includes special glossy additives and protective polymers to give your bodywork a luxurious shine. The product does not leave micro scratches and does not create the effect of orange peel. And after each application, a protective coating remains on the body, which prolongs the brightness of the paint and protects from the negative impact of the environment. A great pickup truck cover from Tiger Auto. This is a model that would be perfect for the new Chevy and Sierra. What is the good thing about this tarp? First, it's made of a durable material. It's 24 Oz thick marine vinyl with an aircraft aluminum frame. This combination provides reliability and durability. Second, it has horizontal crossbeams that add rigidity to the structure and allow the entire body to open up completely if needed. Thirdly, the installation is elementary without drilling, with the help of fasteners in the kit. Here is a deep cleaning ideal shampoo if you're going to apply a new wax, protective film, or other coatings to your car. What is its specialty? Clean Slate doesn't just wash your car, it effectively removes old wax and other protective coatings. This ensures that the new coating or film is evenly applied, adheres to the surface as tightly as possible, and lasts much longer. At the same time, the shampoo gently cleans the paintwork without the risk of micro scratches. This is due to the natural silk softeners in the composition, deep cleaning and gentle treatment of paintwork in one bottle, a powerful and versatile portable starting battery from the renowned Topdon brand. It has a peak current of 3,000 amperes, which allows you to instantly start engines up to 9 liters gasoline or 7 liters diesel. The design is robust and safe copper clamps, heavy-duty cables, IP54 rated protective housing. A hanging hook and adjustable stand make this unit even more convenient to use. Besides the main function, JumpStarter works as a 24,000 mAh portable battery with fast charging of devices via USB. There is a powerful 400 lumen flashlight for emergencies or hiking. It comes with durable connecting wires, an adapter, USB-C cable, and a carrying case. The folding top car creeper is a handy tool for working on your car engine from above. It has an adjustable platform height, which can be set to your desired position relative to the car. The soft deck provides comfort when working on your car. The creeper folds easily for compact storage when not in use. 4 swivel wheels provide smooth and comfortable movement to the desired position. 2 of the wheels have locking latches to snap into place. The maximum load capacity when locked is 400 pounds. This is a convenient and functional solution for comfortably working on a vehicle engine from above in any environment. That's a wrap on today's tool showcase. Subscribe for more reviews, like this video, and let us know your favorite tool in the comments below.